Looking for a powerful yet affordable tablet in 2025? Whether you're a student, a professional, or just love binge watching, we've got the perfect budget-friendly options for you. Stick around as we explore the best budget tablets of the year without breaking the bank. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A10 2025. With a sleek 10.4-inch display, a powerful Exynos processor, and a 7040 mAh battery, this tablet is the perfect mix of affordability and performance, ideal for students and casual users. It's best for everyday use, media consumption, and online learning. Next, the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. If you're deep into the Amazon ecosystem, this tablet is a steal. A full HD display, an octa-core processor, and hands-free Alexa support make it an excellent choice for entertainment lovers. It's best for streaming, ebooks, and Alexa-powered smart home control. If you need a budget tablet that doubles as a mini laptop, check out the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. With an 11-inch 2K display, a powerful MediaTek processor, and optional keyboard support, this tablet is a productivity beast. It's best for work, note-taking, and multitasking. Want smooth performance without the hefty price tag? The Xiaomi Pad 6 Lite delivers with a Snapdragon 680 processor, a 10.6-inch 120Hz display, and a lightweight design, perfect for gaming and creativity on a budget. It's best for light gaming, drawing, and social media browsing. Last but not the least, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. With an IP68 water-resistant rating, a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, and an included S Pen, this tablet is a dream for digital artists and video editors on a budget. It's best for creativity, durability, and all-day battery life. There you have it. 5 incredible budget tablets that prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get great performance. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below.